Welcome viewers to our channel City Parking 313. Today, we're talking about one of the most exclusive and jaw-dropping cars on the planet, the 2026 Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. If you're a fan of hypercars, this is the pinnacle of automotive artistry and performance. Let's dive into what makes this machine so extraordinary. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is a hypercar that combines insane power with an uncompromising focus on craftsmanship. First things first, let's talk about the design. The moment you lay eyes on this car, you can tell it's something special. The carbon fiber body is meticulously sculpted, with sharp lines and curves that not only look incredible but also enhance the car's aerodynamics. Pagani is known for pushing the boundaries when it comes to design, and this Roadster BC is no exception. The exposed carbon fiber and the aggressive front end make it look like it's ready to tear up any road at any moment. Under the hood, the Huayra Roadster BC is powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, developed by Mercedes-AMG. This engine produces a staggering 800 horsepower and 774 lb-ft of torque. That's more than enough to rocket this car from 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds. The sound of that V12 engine is pure music to any car enthusiast's ears. The way it screams as you accelerate is enough to give you chills every single time. But what really sets this car apart is its lightweight construction. Pagani has used a mix of carbon fiber and titanium to make this car lighter and more rigid, which allows for sharper handling and an even more thrilling driving experience. One of the standout features of the Huayra Roadster BC is the active aerodynamics. The car features rear flaps that adjust based on speed and driving conditions, maximizing downforce and stability at high speeds. This gives the car a more planted feel, especially when cornering at insane speeds. The suspension has also been tuned to perfection, offering the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking a twisty mountain road, the Huayra Roadster BC feels like it was made for it. Step inside the cabin. Pagani continues its tradition of handcrafting everything to the highest possible standard. The interior is a blend of leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, creating a perfect harmony of luxury and sportiness. The seats are designed to hold you firmly in place during hard cornering, and every switch and dial feels like it's been crafted by a master artisan. It's a cockpit made for those who appreciate the finer details and want to experience a driving environment that feels truly special. When it comes to tech, Pagani doesn't skimp either. The Huayra Roadster BC comes with the latest in automotive tech, including an advanced infotainment system and a set of customizable driving modes that let you adjust everything from throttle response to suspension stiffness. And, of course, there are a ton of driver assistance features to help keep you safe while you're having fun behind the wheel. Now, let's talk about exclusivity. Pagani is known for making limited runs of their cars, and the Huayra Roadster BC is no different. Only a select few will ever get the opportunity to own one of these masterpieces. In fact, there are only around 40 units of the Roadster BC planned to be produced, making it one of the rarest and most coveted hypercars on the market today. That rarity and craftsmanship come at a price, though. The starting price for the 2026 Huayra Roadster BC is estimated to be around $3.5 million, making it one of the most expensive cars in the world. So, should you get one if you have the means and the passion for true automotive excellence? The 2026 Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is the ultimate expression of what a hypercar can be. It's not just about speed and power. It's about the experience, the craftsmanship, and the sheer joy of driving a car that was built with obsessive attention to detail. If you can find one, and if you can afford it, this car is the dream. That's all for today's review, guys. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.